Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. So yeah, that's what we're talking about. Doing something different. Not that, of course. You don't want to do that. But doing something, right, that is going to change the energy system in your being. Because listen, that thing you're afraid to do, right, is the thing that's going to push you to a whole nother level. Hey, I can't make it up. I'm telling you what it is. You do that, whatever it might be, right? You know, whatever, right? Oh, I don't go swimming because I'll get my hair wet. I got this black stereotype on me. Do that. I dare you to, right? Whatever your heart has been holding back to do, you need to step into that fear and do that shit because only you know what it is. You feel me? You think we're gonna judge you because you weigh 300 pounds and you want to wear a two-piece? No, man, wear that shit, rock that shit, come out and show us what's up. Shit, yeah. What? You feel me? But nah, seriously though, that stuff with your house, you can't be afraid of none of the spiritual stuff. Even wearing stuff, even wearing symbols and all this stuff, you gotta express yourself accordingly, right? Now I'm not saying you gotta be, Mr. Spiritual and stuff, because I don't walk out the house like that either. You feel me? I ain't gonna walk out with no damn Baphomet shirt and all of that and be like, yeah, look at me, nigga. I'm showing it. I'm showing myself. But at the same time, you know that energy when you're supposed to put on that shirt that says this is what it is. You feel me? You know what it is, right? You, how about this? Here's a good one. Y'all still close your eyes to pray when the family members, when the family members say, let's say grace. Toasty! Yeah, I see you, nigga. I know. You sit there against your own power, praying to something that you know is not real. You closing your eyes with these people because you're afraid to tell them, hey, look, this not my thing, but y'all go ahead. You're afraid to do that. Hey, I'm just letting you know. You got to step into your power. You got to say, hey, I don't give a fuck you judge me or not. This is who I am and this is how I'm going to express my truth. Because at the end of the day, that's when your power really starts to power up.
He's heating up!
Until you step into your bag, you will never get to another level. Period. Right? Whether that be altering your whole house, being with your family members and they praying and you keeping your eyes open or keep doing you, right? You don't gotta be disrespectful or nothing like that. You feel me? You just wanna be in the space, in the energy of saying, okay, well, hey, this is just who I am right now. Try that. What's the next holiday coming up? Yeah, I had to tell my mama, Mom, what you just don't? We not going nowhere for you on with July 4th for what? No, 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 we just not doing it. It's not because of the day. Now, if you want to just take us out on that day because it just happens to be a random Saturday or whatever, then cool. But don't be trying to act like, we gonna just be sitting up here celebrating July 4th with your ass. We are not with it. We're not with it. Look, you know what was the most relieving thing I ever told my mama? I don't celebrate Christmas, mama, but guess what? I'm gonna kick it with you on this day. She was like, what? Okay, well, cool. You know what happened when my mama seen that Baphomet statue? Nothing happened. She looked at it because she didn't even know what it was. She was like, "What is this?" You feel me? So sometimes we might even have the gnosis or the mind that says, "Oh, they're gonna really hate me for this one." You feel me? But it be all in our head, right? It be all in our head. So we gotta do that thing that we know is right in our heart, right? And it might not sit right with somebody else, but at the same time, you know that's where your power lies. You feel me? So make sure you are tapped in to you.
Message.